Hello friends, welcome to Tech Comparos. This is your host Rijal, and today we'll be looking at iPhone 11s. We'll be looking all the different variants of iPhone 11 like iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 11. We'll be looking at the displays, the cameras and all the other different features. So friends, let's take a look at iPhone 11. iPhone 11 has a glossy finish in the back with two cameras. It has a side button on the right and it has a volume up and down button on the left with the ring and silence slider button. It has a built-in microphone and a stereo speaker along with the lightning connector in the bottom. It has a built-in stereo speaker and a microphone on the top too. It has a metal matte finish on the corners. It has different color variants in black, green, yellow, purple, red and white. So let's look into a few of the features available in iPhone 11. iPhone 11 has a liquid retina HD display with 6.1-inch diagonal all-screen LCD. It has a multi-display with IPS technology. It has a two-tone display with widescreen. iPhone 11 has a weight of 194 grams with a height of almost 6 inches and a width of almost 3 inches. It has splash, water and dust resistant, which is rated IP68. which has maximum depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes. It has an A13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neural engine. The iPhone front camera has a true depth camera with 12 megapixel. It has a 2.2 aperture with the retina flash. It has a cinematic video stabilization up to 4K. 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, 30 and even 60 frames per second. iPhone 11 has a dual 12 megapixel ultra-wide and wide cameras with night mode. It has a 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second. iPhone 11 cameras has an ultra-wide 2.4 aperture and wide camera has 1.8 aperture. It has a night mode, auto adjustment system, optical image stabilization and 2 times optical zoom out and digital zoom up to 5 times. Portrait lighting has 6 effects: natural, studio, contour, stage mono, high key mono. It has a next generation smart HDR for photos. In India, iPhone 11 will cost you for 64GB 64,900 rupees and for 128GB 69,900 rupees and for 256GB it will cost 79,900 rupees. Now let's take a look at iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8-inch Super Retina XDR display. It has a textured matte glass and stainless steel design. It has the triple 12 megapixel ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras with night mode. When it comes to display, iPhone 11 Pro has an HDR display. It has 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio compared to the 1400:1 contrast ratio of iPhone 11. It has 800 nits max brightness compared to the 625 nits max brightness on iPhone 11. iPhone 11 Pro is the lightest and the smallest compared to the other two. It has an IP68 rating, maximum depth of 4 meters up to 30 minutes compared to the 2 meters up to 30 minutes for iPhone 11. Compared to iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro has 3 cameras: 12 megapixel ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras. Ultra-wide, wide has similar features of iPhone 11, but the telephoto is of 2 aperture. It has all the other features of iPhone 11. The battery of iPhone 11 Pro lasts up to 4 hours longer than iPhone XS. It has a built-in wireless charging similar to 11 and it has a video playback up to 18 hours, video streaming up to 11 hours, audio playback up to 65 hours. It has a fast charging capability similar to iPhone 11. In India, the 64GB variant will cost 99,900 rupees, 256GB will cost 1,13,900 rupees and 512GB 1,31,900 rupees. Now let's take a look at iPhone 11 Pro Max. iPhone 11 Pro Max has 6.5-inch display with Super Retina XDR display. It has similar fit and finish in cameras of 11 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro Max weighs more compared to other two variants. It is taller and wider compared to the other two. iPhone 11 Pro Max has the longest battery life in an iPhone. It lasts up to 5 hours longer than iPhone XS Max. It has built-in rechargeable wireless charging similar like other variants. It has 20 hours of video playback, 12 hours of video streaming, 80 hours of audio playback. It has fast charging capability like other variants. iPhone 11 Pro Max is available in 64GB, priced at 1,09,900 rupees. For 256GB it's 1,23,900 rupees, and for 512GB it's 1,41,900 rupees. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for tuning in. Please do subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.